Hello and welcome to the LVI Fire and Security YouTube channel. My name is Chanel and I'm going to teach you how to create and log into your Alarmbiller Customer Portal. Let's get started. You can watch step by step on my screen. First, go to the address bar and type in www.lviservice.alarmbiller.com. You'll know you typed it in correctly if you can see our LVI logo next to your login right over here. Next, if you look in the bottom right corner of this login box, you can see New Customer Registration. We're going to click that. This is where you'll enter your customer registration information in order to create your account. You can find this on any invoice or work order that was sent to you. It'll have your customer number here. It'll have your address here, and down below, if you scroll past all your information, in the bottom right, you'll find your registration key. Use this to fill out the information on the login box. Be sure to use a real email, a personal email, or an email that goes to you directly because they will send a password to you. In my example, I used the name Test Account. Make sure that when you're filling yours out, you use your actual first and last name. The registration key will make sure that your name is connected to the correct account. If you make a mistake while filling this out, when you try to click Create, a red box will pop up and show you what you need to fix. If this is done successfully, a page will pop up that says registration was successful and that an email was sent to your email address. Now check your email for a temporary password in order to log in. Now type in your email as username and type in the temporary password that was provided to you by Alarmbiller. Now click Login. Once you do this, it will ask you to create your own password. Make sure you meet the requirements listed and create your password. Now confirm your password by typing it in again directly below the first time. Click the blue button that says Reset Password. There will be a red message that says that your password change was successful. Now type in your username and the password you just created to finally log in. Alarmbiller will ask you to read through their terms and conditions before continuing. If you agree to these terms and conditions, go ahead and check the box and then click I agree. You've made it to the Alarmbiller homepage. You can find your customer information right here in the left corner. You can find your account information on the right side, such as open work orders and balances. If you click Edit or this blue time zone hyperlink, it will take you to some of your settings. Here, you can edit some of your contact information, your billing address, your site theme, your time zone, or add descriptions of your customer. Be sure to save any of your changes by clicking this Save button in the top right corner. Back on the home page, you'll be able to pay any open invoices that would be listed over here if you had any. Open invoices would show a Pay It button around this area. You can also view work orders, proposals, what credit cards are on file, and add documents under each of these tabs. If you'd like to pay an invoice online with a credit card, click on the CC tab and hit New Credit Card. Then, enter all your credit card information, your billing address, and your customer name and email. If you are actually adding a credit card, you would click Save. I'm not, so I'm going to X out of this. Credit cards on file can be set up for Autopay. You can choose what day of the month you would like it to come out and which card you would like to use. And those are all the basic functions of Alarmbiller's customer portal. If you have any additional questions, feel free to email me or give us a call at 815-521-0000. For security purposes, be sure to always log out of your account when you're done. Thanks for watching the LVI Fire and Security YouTube channel. Be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss future updates. And remember, we're here protecting today for a safer tomorrow.